What's up guys, my name is Jordan Coster, I'm with Jetstream, and I'm here to show you guys about Jetstream's newest 40K product, the MagJet X40. Let's see what we've got. When you first open the case, you're going to, of course, see your MagJet X40 tool. We include two different heads, a higher torque head and a lower torque head, both of which are marked. You will also see that we have a seal kit assembly and a see-through case for you. We also have just a high pressure seal assembly. We have a few tools to help with disassembly of the MagJet, and we give you a few cases for nozzles as well. Let's start the rebuild. All right, to get started with the rebuild, we're gonna need a handful of crescent wrenches. We have a 10-inch crescent wrench, a 12-inch, and a 15-inch. To get started to rebuild your seal assembly, or to replace your seal assembly, we need to remove this top inlet nut. This can be done on the gun if you would like. You will take your two larger wrenches, you will put one around the body, and one around the inlet nut. These break loose. Already got it loose already for us, and this just unscrews by hand. How you would know to replace your seal is there are weep holes all around this inlet nut, and you will see water leaking from there during operation. You can shut down pretty quick and replace this in less than 5 minutes. Once we have this inlet nut off, you'll see the high pressure seal assembly. You'll take your smaller wrench. There's some flats here. You'll break this one loose as well. This unthreads just the same. You'll take this seal assembly out. You'll get your new seal assembly, which is included in the premium kit. Replace the new seal assembly into the tool. Screw the new seal assembly all the way in. You'll want to snug the seal assembly up as well, and then replace. Ensure that you have adequate amount of anti-seize on the threads. Reinstall. And then you will tighten up. And then you are good to get back to work. And that's all it takes to rebuild the new MagJet X40 from Jetstream.